guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 33. Let's start reading. Ooh, pretty girl. I signed an agreement with the system master that I would be allowed to return to my original world and wake up from the coma if I accumulated 100 million points. Ganun po siya kadami. That's a lot! I lost all my previous memories, but I have a strong feeling that I belong to a different world. So what if na yung world na yun, nandun din tong mga tao nandito ngayon? I can't get points if I don't complete the mission. So I have to accumulate points to get back to the world where I belong. Hindi pa siya nakakaalis dito sa world na to. She didn't complete it yet, and it's been a year. Host, you need to be pampered by 3 men if you want to finish your mission sooner. But you've only enjoyed affection from 2 men so far. Oh, kulang kay tong Rongchi. You mean I shouldn't have missed out on Rongchi? Asan pala si Rongchi? Where is he? Ooh. Rongchi went to the capital city with his brother after he recovered. His brother had a leg surgery, so he had to take care of his brother while accumulating capital for his business by speculating in stocks. Later, he had a startup company in developing autonomous vehicles with his partners. May mga business partner siya. He was always busy. We only contacted occasionally, therefore I was rarely pampered by him. Siguro umiiwas din siya sa'yo. I don't expect him to come to me. It will take too long. It's summer vacation now. I can go to the capital and give him the chance to pamper me. Siya na yung pupunta. Susulong yan. So, she'll visit Rongchi at the capital. Ramage. Parang dami mo namang dadalhin. Yan? Sino yan? Oh! Hi, Tongyi. Gwapo talaga ni Tongyi, no? Kung wala lang si Rongchi, pwede to si Tongyi eh. Kaya lang, brotherly figured lang talaga siya. You are going to travel? Yeah, it's summer vacation. I want to travel in the capital. Diba? Happy yarn. Ang tanong, papayagan ka kaya ni Tongyi na umalis? Aren't you afraid that you may encounter danger if you go out alone? I can go with you if you want. What? Sasamahan ka pate. Hindi ka makakalandi niya. I'm going to find Rongchi. How can I let Yi Ting go with me? Sama mo na yan. Ito naman. May manglilibre sa'yo. I'm over 18 now. I can do this by myself. No. Wala te, hindi ka papayagan, sasamahan ka niyan. I'll go with you. It's settled. In the evening. Diba? Nakarating na sila sa capital city. Gaano ba kalayo ang capital city at naka-aeroplano? Hotel. And they arrive. Do they have separate hotel room? Pretends. Yun. Na natin kung makakalusot to. Ting, I'm a bit tired. I'll go to bed after washing up, so I won't be joining you in dinner. I've got to get him off my back if I want to find Rongchi. Do you think tatalab yan? Hahayaan ka lang niya umalis. Sabagay, in love si Rongchi sa si Tanging sa kanya. Tinging? Okay, I'll come to you tomorrow morning and take you to sightseeing. Diba? Love na love yarn. He's gone. I'm in the capital. Where are you? Chinchichat. May contact pa rin sila. Yun nga lang di sila nakikita. See? I'm in the capital. Where are you? I'm working in my office. May location pang nilagay. Did you come to the capital alone? I came with Yiting. I'm coming over. Sinabi niya kasi kasama niya si Yiting, no? Ito yung pinagsisilosan niya, si Yiting. Knock, knock. Knock, 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 knock. And Greg, and here goes Rongchi. Hi, Rongchi, I missed you. Charit. O, diba? Ayan na si Rongchi natin. Ang puffable na Rongchi. Punk pa rin siya tingnan dito sa ano na to, no? There's a story na to. Gangster style. Nice to see you here. And he frowns. Why? Oh, yeah, of course. He's so cold to me. How am I going to get him pamper me? Oo nga, no? Ba't ang cold-cold ng koya mo? Ooh, and there's a picture. Bakit naka-highlight yan? Tingnan natin bakit naka-highlight yung picture frame. And of course, she noticed it. Is that a picture of you and your brother? Tingnan natin kung anong picture yan. Takes away immediately. Take away immediately. Anong tinatago mo? Ba't kinuha mo agad yung picture frame na yan? It must be your girlfriend's picture then. Why did you have a girlfriend? When did you have a girlfriend? Oy, selos yan. Ting, ting, ting. May girlfriend na siya. No, I don't have a girlfriend. I have no female friend. Hindi naman pala. Baka picture niya yun. How would you feel if I did have a girlfriend? Oo nga, ano mafe-feel niya, no? Kung may girlfriend na siya. What do you think I should feel? Oo nga, ano ba dapat? We are both adults. I understand if you are seeing someone. So, are you seeing anyone? Ay, pinabalik niya yung question Approaches. Ay, nangahawak yarn. Walang hawakan. I know you have someone in your heart. You like eating that unrelated brother of yours, right? Are you together now? Did I tell you I like eating? But I like Rongchi better than Ting. Diba? Mas prefer niya si Rongchi. Speechless siya. She didn't deny it. Tinanong niya, pero hindi nga lang niya dinenay to. Pero tinanong niya, sinabi ko yun. I need to work overtime tonight. I will book a ride to send you back to the hotel. Ay, pinapalayas niya na agad. I just came here and you are driving me away? What's going on? His attitude towards me is so weird. He wasn't like this before. Ang cute ng chibi. I won't leave. My stomach aches. Ooh. Does it hurt? May pahawak na, di ba? It's itchy. Don't touch this place. Chuyan. Tell me, why did you come all the way to see me? Tinanong mo pa. Gusto ko niya makita. I want to see you too. Diba eye to eye contact? I only see you in my eyes, Kanan. Remember, I once told you that I wouldn't leave you free if you ever tried to step into my world. Since you like another man, why did you come to see me? I just wanted to check on you. Aren't you happy seeing me? I'm crazily happy. You have no idea how much I have been missing you. Ay, may pakis ang kuya mo. Itong gusto ko kay Rongchi eh. Aggressive. Rawr. Rongchi, he kissed me. Yep, you can see that. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.